right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday, all right? That means we are here with a new wish on Gordon Guitar, and it's from you, Krua. You wish for Charlie on a Friday with a song called Running, all right? So this is your opportunity to interact with me and have some impact on this channel. What tutorials will come out. So thank you, Krua, for being here and wish for Running. Let's go into this one. I hope you will be satisfied with this. We have a setup that is just clean on fretboard. No need for any capo here. We have 3 chords. So let's start with the chords. And the first one will be F. That's a bar chord where you play the index finger that covers all strings on the first fret. All right. So bar on the first fret, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. The next chord is A minor. All right, so that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is G. And that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. So there we have it, F to A minor to G. That's what's going on from the beginning till the very end. Now, we're gonna work with some different melodies here. We have one main pattern, okay? And then we have a second track, so to speak, in the song here. And you can listen for it. It's very obvious in the beginning of the song, okay? So we have 4 short melodies, different melodies in the beginning. I'm gonna show you the notes for all of these 4, but we're gonna focus more on the main melody that goes in the background, and it's there throughout the song from the beginning till the end. So we're gonna start with that first. So the chord progression was F, A minor, G. I'm gonna take you through this chord by chord, starting with F, and it goes like this. Okay, so that is to play the first E string together with second G, then third D, and back to second G. Okay, then you go over to the A minor part and you play like this. That is to play the open A together with first B, then second D, and first B. And then we have the final chord, G, and the value of this will be twice as long as the other chords. You will see that later when we do the strumming, that you will play basically 1 string around for F, 1 for A minor, and 2 for G. So the G is twice as long as the other chords. So the melody as well, it goes like this. So that is to play the 3rd fret E string together with open B, then open G, then open B, and then you play the 3rd fret E string together with first B, and then open B, and a clap. And that clap will replace the pause. And speaking of the clap, I'm gonna show you where to hit the claps here. They will replace certain notes in this melody now. So if you wanna emphasize more on the beat, then you have to replace the clap or the beat instead of playing the certain notes. So I'm going to show you where. So if you go back to the F now, you play this part. The last note here was the second G string. That is what you're going to replace with a beat. So that will be, okay. Then you go further here on the A minor part and you play. The last note there was the 1st fret B string. That note you replace with the beat, so that will be A minor and a clap. And then you play the G, it was like this. Okay, so you're gonna play the 3rd fret E string with open B, then open G, and then comes the open B, that note you replace with the clap. Then you continue with the 3rd E with the first B, and then open B, and there's a pause in the end where you now hit the clap. So we have the clap now in this main melody on 4 spots, and I'm going to take you through this very slowly to understand where you have the timing with the beats. Now let's go from the F. In tempo. And so on. All right, so if you learned this, you can basically play this song. It goes like this from the beginning pretty much till the very end. It's there in the background, it's in the forefront sometimes, and it's there. All right, that is the main part of the song. And now I'm gonna show you how to play the different melodies here. You hear them very clearly, like I said before, in the intro of the song and in this tutorial. So the first round, all around these rounds are based upon, of course, the same chords, F, A minor, and G in that order. So the first round will be like this. Okay, so you're gonna play first fret E string together with second G, then third high E, then you come into the A minor part and you're gonna play the open A with third high E, then open E, and then you're gonna play into the G part the third E string in the bass together with third high E, then third B, first B, and open B. That is the first part of it, all right? So, the second will be like this. So that is to play the first E string with second G, then third high E, then open A with third high E. We're now in the A minor area. Then first E, then third fret E string in the bass with open E, then open E again, then third E with third B, open G, and third B. That was the second round here, and it goes like this. Right into the third round here, it goes like this. Okay, it's pretty similar. So we're gonna start again on the first fret E string with second G together, then third high E, then into the A minor part, it's open A with third E, then first E, then third E string in the bass together with open high E, then open G, then third E in the bass together with third B, then open B, and open high E. So like this. That was the third round, and the final round will be like this. So that is to play again first E with second G, then third high E, then into the A minor area we're gonna play the open A with third high E, then open E, then third fret on the E string, the bass together with third B, then third B again, then third fret E string, the bass together with first B, and then open B and first B. That was the fourth round. You're gonna play this. All right, so there you have all the 4 rounds. And if you want to hear how they sound, then go back to the introduction of this tutorial. That's where you're gonna find the 4 rounds right after each other. All right, so that is the second track, or the extra guitar playing there, but we had the main melody, and that is what I would focus on first. Now we have all this. Now you can go into the plain strumming, and now we'll use the full chords F, A minor, and G. It will sound like this for 1 round. Two rounds actually. I just wanted to show you how it starts again from G into the second round. Now you're gonna play this for F, just down clap. And then you shift to A minor and play down, down clap. And then you go to G and play down, down clap for 2 times. And the pause afterwards. And then it starts all over again. So, slowly. Down, 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 clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap. F, clap, A, clap, G, clap, G, clap. And so on. All right, just a bad try there to flex a little bit with these second tracks and go with beats and build that into it. Anyway, you know all the notes now. You have the melodies and you can just do it in your own way and just go with the flow. The main thing here is to switch chords in the right timing. That's important. So F, A minor, and G, as long as they come in the right timing here, it will sound nice. So that is pretty much how I handle Charlieonnafriday's Runnin. And Krua, thank you for being here on this channel. Thank you for highlighting this song. Never heard it before, so thanks to you and all you Charlieonnafriday fans. I hope you enjoyed this as well. If you did, then feel free to support me, subscribe to this channel, and hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.